guys, I need to wash this up and I don't have a lot of time because McKee's37.com is having a sale over there. 20% off pre-Black Friday. They have a bunch of products today. I'm going to use 4 of them. We got the 392 wheel cleaner, graphene detail spray. We got some Hydro Blue SiO2 coating. Spray and rinse stuff, really good. And I've got a mixture here. They've got graphene auto wash on sale on their site. This one I've mixed with their extreme foam. But go on their site, McKee's37.com, 20% off a bunch of products. I'm gonna be using these right now. I need to get this washed, edited, and uploaded so you guys can get some savings on the deals over at McKee's37.com. Let's go. All right, let's get everything prepped. We got the mixture graphene auto wash extreme foam. Let's put a nice squirt of that. Let's put another nice squirt into the MJJC. Now, they do sell version 3.0, but there's a new MJJC that I just ordered from McKee's 37, and we have to wait for that one to come. So let's get that ready there, and I'm gonna get this started. I'm gonna spray the wheels with the 392. All right, so I've got the 392 wheel and tire cleaner. This is a 2-in-1. All right guys, with the wheels clean now from the 392, I need to seal them up. This is where Hydro Blue SiO2 comes in handy, not only for the paint and the glass and stuff, but for the wheels. So you keep it wet, you shake this up, and you go ahead and spray it on there. Now you want to work in a cool area. You don't want this in the heat or just driven. Give it some nice sprays like that, and then you hit it with the rinse. And let me bring you guys in so you can see now they are sealed up. You can see the water just beads and drips away. All right guys, wheels are done. It's time to get some foaming action on. Let's get this foamed up. Okay, wheels are done. Foam is on there doing its job, breaking it up. Now I've got a hybrid solution, extreme foam and graphene auto wash. Smells good, kind of minty on there. Nice foam action, breaking it up, pulling all the loose debris down. We're gonna rinse it. Then I'm gonna foam what's ever left in the bottle on there, and then we're gonna hand wash. Okay guys, I want you to listen to what I'm about to tell you. I foamed it, I rinsed it, and I re-foamed it. Now, why do you re-foam it, Ben? Number one, to use the extra foaming, the leftover. But the McKee's products, their soaps, to be specific, I can foam and let them dry. See the sun over there? It's not hot today. It's probably, I don't know, 72 degrees. But I can wash the car and let this dry, and it won't make water spots or streaks on the car. I can just reactivate it with water and it rinses right off. So the key is putting that layer of soap on there with the McKee's soaps. And then once you do that, you can go about your business. I'm gonna wash the whole car right now without rinsing it. And once I'm done with that, you'll see what happens next. All right, guys, this is tip number 2. I'm on my rinse phase of the car wash. I've done the top and I'm on the, whatever side you're gonna be on, I'm on the passenger side. I haven't rinsed the back and the other side. What I'm gonna do now is spray the Hydro Blue because the other side still has soap. It's still safe from the hard water that we have here in Vegas drying up on it. So while I have the time, I'm gonna use the Hydro Blue. Okay guys, I want you to look, the soap is dried up on here and that's exactly what I want. That's why I do the sun side last, because I just have to reactivate it with the water, rinse it off, spray it with Hydro Blue, rinse it off, and then dry it. So actually, I'm gonna do the back first. All right guys, now I have everything washed and rinsed. It is sealed with the Hydro Blue. The Hydro Blue is a spray and rinse sealant type of product, and it's very easy. You don't have to touch it with your hand. So now all I have to do is dry the vehicle. All right guys, with the car all washed and dried, it's time to grab your graphene detail spray. This is like a quick detailer with a little bit of protection. Gloss slickness is what it adds there. Get your 360 towel. I like to moisten it a little bit, dampen it, and I look for any drippage or water spots I missed drying up. Go over it with this. Oh yeah, let me bring you into the windows in the sunlight. After I've sprayed the Hydro 2, a lot of people have problems with spray and rinse sealants like this. Let me show you how this one works when you do it my way. All right, so I really haven't wiped anything besides drying. Here's the glass. You can see I need a little bit of wiping of any drying residue there, but there's no streaks from Hydro Blue SiO2. A lot of these products with SiO2 that you spray and rinse have streaking issues. We don't have that. If you do it my way, you work quick and in the shade. Even though the other side was the sunlight, you can't see it on this side, but even though the other side was the sunlight, I let the soap sit there, I rinsed it, hydroed it real fast, rinsed it, and then I dried it real fast. So you don't let it sit on there. You spray it real quick, section by section, and you rinse it off. That's how it's gonna work best for you. And guys, finally the wheels. Just use a little bit of the graphene detail spray. Spray them, dry them. If you want to blow dry them, that's up to you. But this just gives them that little pop. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Head on over. I don't know how long the sale's gonna last. When I'm filming this, it's probably down to about 11 hours left, and it is about 2 in the afternoon. So probably ends at midnight, I would think. Anyway, car's done. 4 products used today. We've got $3.92 wheel and tire cleaner, mixture of graphene auto wash and extreme foam, sprayed and sealed with Hydro Blue SiO2 coating, and the graphene detail spray for the finishing touches. You like the cart, you like the towels, you like the products, I'll put a link to them in the description of the video, McKee's37.com. Go check them out, hurry up, the sale is on.